So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today again we are going to start with the bank reconciliation. So I have bought the question. So without wasting our time, let's come to the question now. So the question starts and the question says that bank overdraft as per cash book as 31st March 2022. Okay, so which balance we have? We have the cash book balance, but what we need to see here, that is overdraft. Overdraft means negative balance. Okay, so now let us write here, that is balance balance as per. Okay, so balance as per cash book, that is negative balance. How much? 15,50,750. Okay, so that is 15,50,750. Okay, so now let us come to the one number. So we don't have date, so we'll write the sequence, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so here is check deposited on 15 February 2022, credited on 5th April 2022. So what we need to see here, we are reconciling the amount on 31st March, but what happened here means we have deposited the check on 15 February 2022, but the bank has credited that check on 5th April. So on 31st March, that the bank hasn't credited the amount that we have given for the deposit. So there must be the difference. Okay, so one number, what is that? Check deposited but not credited by bank. So we have increased the amount in our cash book, but in our passbook the amount has not been increased yet, that is 31st March. So what we are going to do, we are subtract this amount, that is 12,50,000. Okay, so that is 12,50,000. Okay, so now let us come to the question number 2. Interest debited by bank on 31st March 2022. Okay, so here said that debited a bank means the amount has been subtracted. If it could have been here credited, then it means that the bank has given us interest, but here is debit, so it means that the bank has cut off the interest from our bank account. So 2 number, interest debited by bank. So what does that mean? See, 1,75,000. Okay, so interest has been cut off from our bank, but we haven't recorded this transaction in our cash book. So what are you going to do now? We are going to subtract this amount from our cash book. Okay, so how much is that? 1,75,500. So 1,75,500. Okay, so now come to the number 3, that is check issued before 31st March but not yet presented. Okay, 3 number, check issued but not presented. So what does that mean here? Means we have issued the check, means we have given the check, or we can say we have subtracted the amount from our cash book, but what happened here means the check has not been presented to be encashed from bank. That means that we have decreased the amount from our cash book, but it has not been decreased from our passbook. So what we are going to do now, we are just add this amount, that is 7,75,000. Okay, 7,75,000. Okay, so now come to the question 4, that is on 10th March. What you need to notice that on 10th March 2022, bank credited A Limited in error. Okay, so on 10th March bank has credited means it has increased our amount. in passbook. Credit means it has been increased. Okay, so credit means it has been increased our bank account in error. So although it is in error, we need to reconcile the amounts. What we are going to do, that we are going to add this amount in our cash book as well. Okay, so that is 1,50,000. Okay, so bank credited an error. So what is that? 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Okay, so now come to the question 5. Okay, draft deposit in bank but not credited till 31st March 2022. So see here, what does that mean? Here means draft deposited in bank. So we have like draft means is a kind of check. We can consider this as check. So draft deposited in bank but not credited till 31st March. It is same like this one number. Check deposited but not credited. Same way, draft deposited but not credited till 31st March. So we have deposited a draft. It means we have increased the balance in our cash book, but although it has not been increased in our passbook. So what are we going to do now? We are going to just subtract this amount from our cash book as well. Okay, 5 number, that is draft deposited but not credited. Draft deposited but not credited by bank. Draft deposited but not credited by bank, that is 12,75,000. 12,75,000. So what we are going to do, we are going to subtract this amount, that is bracket. Here it will be bracket here. Okay, see, we need to do here something more, that is, okay, see here, I have been said that overdraft means negative balance. We are going to keep this amount in bracket as well. Okay, check deposited on 15 March. Okay, so we have deposited means added but not credited. We are also going to subtract this amount, that is in bracket. So whenever we are going to subtract the amount, that will be in bracket. If you are going to add the amount, it will be recorded as normal. Interest debited, so it has been debited from our bank account, then we are also going to subtract this it from our cash book. Okay, so what is here now? Check issued. Okay, it will be add here bank, that is 4 number, credited. Okay, that all is right. Now let's come to the question number 6, that is 6. Bill of collection credited by bank but no advice has been received by company. Bill of collection credited by bank but no advice received by the company. Okay, so what the question is saying here, that suppose there is one like our customer is there, that the customer what did means he has directly deposited the amount in our bank account, but we don't have any intimation that the customer has paid the amount in our bank account. So what happened here, what is the net effect here means, our passbook balance has been increased. Passbook balance has been increased, but our cash book balance has not increased yet. Why? Because we don't know what that the customer has already that paid the amount in our bank, that is directly. So what is going to happen in the present scenario means the cash book is reduced, but the passbook has been uplifted by the amount paid by the customer. So what are we going to do now? We are going to add this amount. Okay, in order to reconcile the amount. So 6 number, that is bill for collection credited by bank but not received any information. So we are going to add this amount 9,45,000. Now come to the 7 number. Bank charges charged by bank not entered in our cash book. So what happened here? Bank charge means the amount has been deducted from our passbook, but we have not entered this amount in our cash book. So what are we going to do now? We're going to subtract this amount from our cash book as well. So okay, 7 number. Bank charge by bank. So we are also going to subtract this amount, that is 2,85,000. okay, so it will be here minus 2,85,000. okay, now let us come to the last number, that is question 8. Transport subsidy received from the state government directly by bank but no advice to the company. So it is same as question number 6. What happened here? In question number 6, the customer has deposited the amount, but in 8 what happened means the government has directly given us subsidy. Subsidy means we can say the some amount given by the government to support our business or to motivate the business. So it has been directly given in our bank account, but we have no any intimation that we have received the money. So what happened means in our passbook the amount has been increased, but in our cash book the amount is same. So what are we going to do now? We are going to add this amount in our cash book as well in order to reconcile the amount. 8 number. Transport subsidy received from government but no any advice received. So in our passbook the amount has been increased, so we are also going to increase this amount by 7,15,000. so what will be here? 17,50,000. okay, so that's all our question. Now let us reconcile them all. So if you're going to subtract this, add, subtract, and here what is going to happen? Here is also add, and last one is, sorry, 7 number is also add. No, 7 number is less and the last number is add. So after doing all this minus and subtraction, the amount comes in negative, that is 9,16,250. so it will be in negative. So it will be in negative means it will be in bracket, and what is up here is cash book. Here is cash book, so here it will be passbook. okay, 8. so here it will be balance as per, that is passbook. We can say this as, in our passbook negative balance means debit balance. If it could be positive here, then it could have been here credit balance. okay, so this is all here. Here is what, as per cash book negative balance means here is credit balance. If it could have been here positive balance, then it could be here, that is debit balance. So this is all of our question, that is of 5 mark. And if you find this video really helpful, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.